Welcome back. We'll start with the map location 6 class contemporary topics for 2017. We will be covering 20 major locations for today. Now before we start with the map location, I would like to remind you about the test series. So all those who have joined the test, I request them to send the test for evaluation as early as possible so that you have ample time to assimilate the feedbacks that we would be providing during the test responses. Now the major locations that we would be covering would deal with the railway lines and the major broad gauge lines that have been decided during the recent time. So the first location talks about the Kazigand Baramulla railway section, the broad gauge line, and there are 5 new halt stations that have been planned out. Sangdan, Ratnipur, Razwan, Nadigam and Monghala are the 5 railway station, the 5 halt stations that have been planned between Kazigand and Baramulla railway track. The next is the railway track from Jammu to Baramulla, of which the Jammu Udhampur section has already been completed in 2005. Now you have the Udhampur Katra to Kazigand and Kazigand to Baramulla. Kazigand to Baramulla is under process, and this would be having T80 tunnel, which would be the longest transportation tunnel in Asia. The next important location is the broad gauge line between Bilaspur, Manali and Leh. Important thing to note here is this Bilaspur is not the Bilaspur of Chhattisgarh. So this Bilaspur is Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh, connecting Himachal Pradesh to Jammu Kashmir. Now Leh is the second largest district in terms of area in India, lying in Jammu and Kashmir. It's a part of cold desert area, and it's again a center for major army stations. So this railway track, once completed, would be the highest railway track in the world. So again, very important locations. The next is Mysuru. Mysuru is the new name for Mysore in Karnataka and was in news recently because of the smart card based cycle sharing system, the public cycle sharing system, which would include nearly 450 cycles throughout the city, and you could use those cycles on a public sharing basis. The next is the rural LED street light scheme, which has been launched in Andhra Pradesh. It would cover 7 districts. The districts include Guntur, Nellore, Prakasham, Kadapa, Chittoor, Anantapur and Kurnool. So these 7 districts would come under the street lighting project. The next is Imphal. Imphal was in news recently because you had the 16th Northeast Regional Commonwealth Conference that was being held here, and the theme of the project was Northeast and Look East approach. So you have the next location, very important, FSSAI, that is the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Now there have been a lot of cases of additives coming up, lot of cases of adulterations coming up, and therefore FSSAI is being heard off and on, and hence important. So you have 8 regional offices. One lies in Chandigarh, then you have in the capital Delhi. In Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. In West Bengal, Kolkata. Assam, you have Guwahati. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Tamil Nadu, Chandigarh, and Kerala, Cochin. So these are the 8 regional centers that are very important for FSSAI. The next is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar, you had the 22nd Asian Athletic Championship that was recently held and hence was in news, lies in Odisha. Next is Gandhinagar, capital of Gujarat. It hosted the first mega trade event for textile sector. It was unique in its nature and hence important. So you have Gandhinagar. The next is Jaipur, Navrangpur section of the broad gauge. Now Jaipur, Navrangpur, both of these lie in Odisha. The project is to connect Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It would start from Kothavalsa, connect Koratpur, Jaipur and Navrangpur in Odisha, then Jagdalpur, Dantewala and Kirandul in Chhattisgarh. So that would be again a major broad gauge line that would be connected. The next is Aji Dam, lies on Aji River. 4 dams have been planned here. It is a part of the Sony project that is being an important project in Saurashtra region of Gujarat, lies in the Rajkot district and is important. Next is Doklam, very important for your map location and for your GS paper 2 international relations, the Indo-China relations. So this lies on the tri-junction of India, China and Bhutan and has a kind of geopolitical significance. The next is Itanagar. Itanagar in Papampare district, Arunachal Pradesh was recently in news due to the active landslides that occurred in the region. Again, very important location, you have India-Bangladesh bridge that is being planned out. Now this India-Bangladesh bridge would be connecting Tablang in Mamit district in Mizoram to Kargachari in southeast Bangladesh, and it would run through the Karnfuli river. So that's again a very important location. The next is Imphal Moraine. Imphal More is a national, you have been planned about the National Highway 39 from Imphal to More, and this would have a kind of 4-lane highway which would be going through important villages like Libong and Waziganj that would be connected here. Next is Kanpur. Recently was in news because the 14th elected president of India, Ramnath Kovind, hails or has its birthplace as Kanpur. The next is Bakhol. Now very important, there are two Maitri. So it's important you do not get confused. First is the Maitri exercise, that's the Indo-Thailand military exercise being held at Bakhol, Chamba district in Himachal Pradesh. Very important. The next is Maitri 1 and Maitri 2. So those are the railway lines. So Maitri 1 runs from Kolkata to Dhaka. Maitri 2 has been planned out as a railway corridor between Petrapol and Benapol, and these would be connecting India and Bangladesh. The next is Bharuch. Bharuch, you have the longest extra-dosed bridge that has been planned, and this Bharuch lies on the Narda river. Before this you had Nivedita Setu bridge on Hooghly river as the longest extra-dosed bridge, and now this bridge has overtaken as from the Nivedita Setu bridge. The last important location for today is Habi village in Kotranka. It lies in Rajouri district in Jammu Kashmir. So it is the first smart tribal village that has been planned out, and this smart tribal village would have kind of good road connectivity, accessibility to electricity, water, sanitation supplies and so on. So with this we covered the 20 locations for today. We will be covering more map locations in the upcoming lectures before your mains examination. So do subscribe to our channel, stay tuned till your mains. We will be bringing up more and more updates for current affairs and more topics for your GS as well as geography. Have a good day ahead.